I'm very, very happy to be here, to be spending this afternoon at the hospital, at Cooper Hospital. I've had the privilege of spending time with all the dignitaries here who have given me a real insight into the goings-on and how the real work gets done on the ground, and that's always what it's all about. That's what we're here to do. That's what we're here to frankly, for me, I come away appreciating the work of, as I call them, the soldiers of the good work. I get the opportunity to sit here on a podium, have the mic in my face, and hopefully be the megaphone to their good work to a wider audience out there through you. So it's actually all extremely collaborative. But it's their good work, decrease of cases, it's tremendous, and that takes a lot of constant work by all the people on the ground on a regular basis, because while it is extremely imperative for the pregnant lady to come and access the test within the first 12 weeks, preferably as per the requirement, the medical requirement, nevertheless, any time is a good time. You have to come in and get the test done, because then like I said, there is medical help accessible and the doctors can work with you to provide the adequate care to the fetus before the baby is born into this world. And the responsibility of the parents towards the child begins from conception. And that sense of responsibility, you know it when you conceive, and you have to exercise that responsibility from the onset. So the medical care is there, people can access the help, so please come forth, take the tests and accept the medical aid that exists.
What I would request is safe behavior is very important for control of HIV/AIDS, and each one has to maintain safe behavior, and early diagnosis and early treatment, that is also very important. Shakti clinics are available, all the tests and counseling is confidential, all the medical aid is there, please accept.
We have all had it actually in school, and it's probably, I don't know, that's important. I'd love to find out if that's happening across the board all over the region. But definitely in urban culture, in our cities, a lot of schools definitely do have it, and I think yeah, please share.
In municipal schools, we are talking about sex education to the 8th and 9th children, and more if we talk, then discrimination will be less. So we should go for knowing the status, HIV status at early age, or especially if the behavior is high risk. In that case, knowing status is right of each and every person, and we should go ahead for sex education in the school. Municipal schools we are going, and even in the private schools we have taught the teachers so that they can carry this message to the younger generation later on. So it is ongoing procedure.
I think change is the only constant, no, in life, but it's but natural that any experience will contribute to you being who you are. And I'm blessed to have had the experience of motherhood. Thank you.